Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am coming at you with another dumpster dive haul today. Sorry for the lighting, it's a bit dark in here. I guess I could have turned that light on, but I didn't even think about it. I think we can see. We'll try our best. Coming at you with another dumpster dive haul, and then of course, like I said, I'm going to start putting cat pictures and videos in at the end, but they'll probably be in the videos as well. So this haul is coming from CVS and Aldi. I think that's pretty much it. And then one thing that I found just on the side of the road. And my next video I think is probably going to be another little house update. I've done some rearranging. I'm planning on having a little garage sale this weekend just to get rid of some things that aren't going to end up fitting in my house. Unfortunately, I mean, it's things that I do like and I wish I could keep, but I just have to let them go. There's no way that some of these things are going to fit because I lose the wall space upstairs since it's like a Tudor with the pitched roof or a bungalow or whatever. I can't put, tall things up there. So I'm having a garage sale this weekend. This weekend is also my city's little pumpkin fest is what they're having. It's the first year I've been here for it, so I don't know, I might check it out. And I entered them in a cute pet contest in the city. It's just like voting on Facebook, but so far we are winning by 40 votes, and voting ends today. So I will keep you guys updated on if they win. I think they will. And that'll be fun. So let's get into the haul here. Starting with 3 more of these little herb gardens. I think this is the same kind as the ones that I found before, basil, chives, and parsley. 2 of them are the darker brown and then one of the grayish color. I saw someone on my local Facebook marketplace selling these, and she had 32 of them, she said. So that, to me, sounds like she's probably also a dumpster diver, and she found a bunch of these, and she's trying to sell them, trying to get a little money, which, fine. But a lot of people... I have a lot of dumpster divers in my area, I guess what I'm trying to get at. So things that I leave behind are generally saved by someone else. So I got those. I have a whole bunch more of these bulbs, which I'm excited about. I have 2 of the caladiums, 4 canna lilies, which I found 1 of these before, 4 more, and then 3 elephant ears. I wish I had more elephant ears, but I have 3, which I love elephant ears. If you remember, I found 1 canna lily before. That was at a different CVS. So these came from a different CVS than I found them at before. I have 1 box of Blueberry Special K cereal and 2 boxes of Dunkin' Caramel Macchiato cereal, which I don't like coffee, so I'm hoping to try this and maybe it doesn't really taste like coffee. It looks like it has little marshmallows in there. However, the box does smell like coffee, so I don't know if it's because of the cereal or maybe it was next to coffee, but I'm going to assume it is going to taste like coffee. I just don't like it, but I'll give it a shot. I have a bag of these salted, I don't even know how to say, so chill tortilla chips, which I'm excited about. I love chips and salsa, stuff like that. And then I have this large thing of Kettle Brand sea salt potato chips. I'm not a huge potato chip person unless I have French onion dip to dip it in. Then that's pretty tasty. I have 3 bags of avocados, and I need to start eating these, but they are not overripe. These are getting to be, well, this one is going to go. This one's going to leave. But the rest of them, I've eaten 1, are either not ripe or just becoming perfectly ripe. So I need to either figure out some guacamole to make or something like that, or maybe freeze them so I can put them in smoothies or whatever. So I have 3 bags of avocados. That one's going to go ahead and go into the garbage. I have 2 boxes of these Nutri-Grain soft bake breakfast bars. That's just a good little snack. And then 1 of the Bob's apple pie stuffed oat bites. And the reason for all of this food to be thrown away was because it's past its best by date. If you can see, that says September 3rd. But they will be just fine. Then I have 5 of these meal replacement shakes. These came from Aldi. The box that they were in had broken. There might have been more, but this is all I saw. So I took them. Yeah, just a chocolate little protein shake, I think. Maybe not protein. Maybe. Who knows? And then also from Aldi, which I think is adorable, I have this little pumpkin sugar swirl candle. Brand new. It smells delicious. The only thing is that the back of the lid is broken. So that really doesn't matter at all. Look at how cute it is. Perfect for the holiday season coming up. I have not started decorating really. I did put some apples on the banister here. But I don't know. We'll see. I just have to get everything together. As you can see, I still have some boxes and stuff that I'm working on. But I'm getting there with the house. And then the last little bit of the haul, we'll start with this. This I found on the side of the road, and it's like a double-sided lawn tool. It has the shovel on this side, and then, what do we call this? Spade, trowel, hoe, I don't know, on the other side, which I thought would be really good for working in the yard. So I picked that up. And then this is just in a bag because it is brand new, and it is full. It just has a little hole in it, but it's all-purpose potting soil that came from Aldi. So I will definitely get good use out of that. And then underneath both of those, this also came from Aldi, is this little red children's wooden porch rocking chair, which is adorable. I wish it was adult-sized. It says it's for ages 4 to 7, so it's going to be pretty tiny. So I'm considering maybe putting it out front and putting a plant on it because my front door is red, so I thought that would be really cute. Or if it doesn't end up working out, I don't like it, I will find a child to give it to. Hopefully it's all there. I don't know why it was thrown out. Maybe it was a return. With this, at the same time I found this in the dumpster, there was also like a workout bench. You know, the ones they have like at the gym and stuff. I did not end up taking because I would not have any use for that. So I left that for the next person to find. So that's about it for the haul today. Nothing major, but like I said, my next video, I'm going to show you another house update, I think, unless I end up finding some more good stuff. I think that's all I found. Sometimes I put things away and I end up forgetting about them, but I think that's it for today. And maybe I'll take you out to my trees. Let's do that. I'll be right back. We're going to head outside. All right, this is what I have planted so far. I'm hoping to get more. It might not be this year for a few reasons, but I have a good start, I think. So these two right here are little apple trees. This is a Fuji. I don't know, he's looking a little gray. I hope he's okay. I've been watering him. So that's a Fuji. This one is a Ruby Mac. Same thing. I mean, I didn't pay much for these trees, but I do want them to come back. Now this is my Chicago Hearty fig tree, and I have already gotten some figs off of it. And I think I'm going to pick the rest of them here soon. As you can see, well, this one's really tiny, but it is ripening. I think I only have those 2 left. I've gotten 6 other figs off this little guy this year. He is self-pollinating, so it doesn't need a mate. And it is zoned for my area to stay outside, so I'm hoping it can survive the winter. I might still winterize it out here, but I'm not going to be bringing it inside. And the figs, I'll put some pictures of the figs that I picked. They were I ate the whole thing because Google said I could eat the whole thing. So it was a little earthy on the outside, but the inside was very good. And then these 2 are Plum Trees. Just little plum guys. This one got knocked off the top a bit. We had a storm pass through. It was very quick, but it was very almost tornado-like. I'm not going to say we had a tornado, but it lasted literally only 5 minutes. I thought everything was fine. Some of my neighbors got complete devastation. I'll see if I can put some pictures in. Well, here you can see over here. It was a while ago, but like that tree came down in their garage is, I don't know, it's going to have to come down, I'm assuming. You can't really see, but this house over here, it got the most devastation, unfortunately. I'll put a picture in of that. It's going to have to be completely torn down. But since we're over here, let me show you the grapes on this house that are technically in my yard. I think I'm going to pick some because these people are actually moving. But look how beautiful. I don't want them to go to waste. Just gorgeous. So beautiful. So that's my goal, is to have grapes like that in my yard. I didn't show you, but this little bit over here is grapes. I want to have peach trees. I guess this is a peach tree. That's what I've been told, but it never produced because maybe it didn't have a mate. So maybe if I get it a mate, they'll both produce. I want to get peach trees, pear trees, and cherry trees over here. And then, of course, a big garden near the house. So these are my little grapes that I'm hoping will come back and do great next year. That's the hope, is that all these trees really thrive next season. All right, I think that's it. I'll put some pictures in here at the end. Luckily, my house did not have any damage from the storm, but I'll put that one house, I'll put in a picture of it. And I just feel really bad for them. But, however, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with more dumpster diving and house-related videos. Thank you.